Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Canva presentation to Google Slides. So as you can see, we are in Canva and we've got our presentation here. You can see our slides all along the bottom. So what we're going to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and we're going to press share. So we're going to press the download button, and as you can see, the file type has automatically gone to PDF. So what we want to do is we want to make it sure that it's this PPTX. You want to make sure that you've got all your pages selected. If there's any pages that you don't want, then make sure that they aren't selected. But we've got all 18 selected, and then we're going to hit the download button there. And now what we need to do is we need to go onto Google Slides. So what we're going to do is go onto our Google and we're just going to type in Google Slides in the search bar, hit enter, and okay, we go. We're going to use this one at the top here. You may need to sign in, and as you can see, it has now brought us to a blank presentation. So what you can do is you can go to file and you can press open or import slides, and that is a way of bringing that presentation into Google Slides for us. Or you can press this Google Slides home button on the top left, and as you can see, that brings us to the home page. So you can come across and press this open file pickup button, and then what you want to do is press upload along the top, press browse. And then as you can see, this was our pitch deck that we got from Canva. So just want to double click that. And as you can see, that is now uploading into Google Slides for us. So once that is done, there we go. As you can see, that has opened, and down the left-hand side here, we've got all of our 18 slides imported from Canva into Google Slides. And that's it. Super quick one for you today, guys. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We appreciate it so much. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.